You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.
Hey, welcome back in the next video in Microsoft Teams Beginner Series. Well, in this one, we will dive into one of the most powerful features in Microsoft Teams, that is file sharing and real-time collaboration. Well, whether you are co-editing a document, sharing files in a meeting, or organizing your workspace, Teams make it seamless. So let's jump in and take a look at how it all works together. Well, you can share files in a few different places in Teams. You can share it in a chat with someone or maybe a group. You can share your files inside a channel under Files tab. Or even you can share it during a meeting through the meeting chat. So no matter where you share it, the files become instantly available to everyone involved. This is super handy when you are trying to stay aligned on a project. Now, one of the best things about Teams is that you can also co-edit files almost in real time, right inside the application. So whether it is actually a Word document or maybe an Excel sheet or a PowerPoint, you can co-edit it. Well, multiple people can open it at the same time and make edits. And you'll see the changes happening almost real time. Not even almost real time, you can just go with real time. So there is no need to email attachments back and forth now. Just open the file and collaborate instantly. That is the beauty of using Teams in your environment. Now, managing your files is just as easy. You can rename a file if the title doesn't fit your agenda anymore. And you can do it at any given time. Plus, if the life cycle of the project is done, you can delete files. And even you can check the version history so that you can track the edits or restore to a previous version if someone made a mistake or something goes wrong with the file. Well, this gives you full control over your shared content and keeps everything organized. Now, here's something important to know. The files you share in Teams are not stored in Teams itself. Teams do not have any storage. So here's how it works. If you share files in channels, those files are stored in SharePoint. If you share a file in private chats, those files are stored in OneDrive for business. Well, this behind-the-scenes setup means that your files are safe, backed up on cloud, and easy to access, even if you're using some services outside Teams. All you need is access with M365 Cloud Platform applications. And of course, you need a device and internet. Well, what if you need to collaborate with someone outside your organization now? You can still share files here, but with some guardrails. External users will usually have limited access depending on your organization's settings or configuration. Here, administrators or team owners can adjust permissions. So you stay in control of what gets shared and who can view or even edit it. So always double-check sharing settings when you are working with clients or partners outside your organization. Let's run through a quick example of what this looks like in practice in the dashboard. All right, now let's see how you can upload a file in your channel and also collaborate with your team member in real time. So let's go to our channel. I have one demo channel over here, and then I will click on Files. So let's upload a test file.
This is my test file, and I uploaded it. Well, once you upload it, it will take some time to sync with your SharePoint as well. And if in your SharePoint you also enabled your revision history, then in that case, you can go to this menu in your file and then scroll down and click on revision history, where you can see all the previous stable state of this file. So if someone made a change, you can always revert back. Now, let's go to the other user who logged in to your channel and click on Files. Even that user can see your file here. And let's say this user wants to collaborate and make some changes here. If you click on the file, it opens in a read-only mode. You cannot make any changes over here. But if you, again, right-click and then click on Open with Text Editor, then you can make changes. So 10, let's say 11, 12, 13, and 14. Save it. So if I click on over here, I will see the new change immediately. This is how you can collaborate with your team member. Even if you add, let's say, whiteboard, then you can collaborate with your whiteboard and draw some illustration, and every member of this channel will see it. So let's say I draw a box. Okay, and I go to the other team member, open whiteboard, and I will see it. And the other team member can also draw a box and then connect them. Well, every member can see. So this is how team members can collaborate with each other, even though they are working from home or different places. You can add more collaborative applications here if you want. And if you don't find your apps over here, you can go to the marketplace and then search for it. Get more apps. And here you go. You have applications for every use case. And whenever you add an application, all your team member will also see it on top. And some application might be paid as well. So let's go back to our channel. And if you want to delete your file, just select that and click on delete. And it will be gone. And if you want to delete your whole channel, then click on delete item. And remember, in this case, all the files, notes, anything you saved on whiteboard, everything will be removed.
And that's a wrap on file sharing and collaboration in Teams. Next up, we will explore application and integration, how to connect your favorite tools right into Teams and boost your productivity. Well, if this video helped you out, then give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell icon so that you don't miss what's next. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.